I think I know what this is. Oh yeah, it is. Keep watching to see how I got this brand new 3D printer for free. It's a perfect combination of MakerWorld points, the Bambu store, and their Black Friday deal. So I've recently started posting some of my models to MakerWorld. So far I have about 12 of the 44 models I made up on this site, and everything here is telling me that I need to get them all on here to participate in their point system. So what's their point system, you might ask? Well, as they describe, it's an incentive program that MakerWorld offers to promote quality models on their platform, and the points are equivalent to Bambu store cash. There's some terms and conditions, we'll just skip over those. Basically though, the more models you upload that have download appeal, the more points they generously award. There are other ways to earn points though, such as creating or rating print profiles, actively participating and learning more about 3D printing, or basically just engaging with the 3D printing community in general. I've been fortunate enough to accumulate quite a few points so far, and the perfect storm has arrived. So there's a bunch of items on MakerWorld that I can use my points on. There's various kits here, some credits towards MakerLab, and they even offer 3D printed models. And just so you get some idea about how fast these points add up, let's look at the previous month of my points earnings. We're a couple days into November right now, so let's go back through all of October real quick. Probably close to 100 points per page here too. The points awarded are in the column on the far right, 12, 15, 20, sometimes even 30 points at a time. There's 36 pages of point accumulation here, all the way back to my first model upload in March of this year. Yeah, that's right, only about 7 months ago. So I can exchange these points for just about anything on this page, but I'm only interested in one thing right now. For 490 points, they're offering a $40 gift card to the Bambu store. What does the Bambu store have that I can finally afford with points? How about a brand new A1 3D printer with the AMS? It sounds like a lot, but let's do some top of the head math here. Just using round numbers, I have 4,900 points. The gift cards are 490 points, so divide those together and I can get 10 gift cards. Each one of those gift cards are worth $40, so that means that I can exchange my points for $400 worth of Bambu store credit. I think it's finally time. So let's just see if everything goes the way I see it going in my head here. Let's get it. Alright, nice little verification pop-up here. This gift card is only valid in the US and cannot be changed after it has been redeemed. Okay, it says Bambu store, that's what I want. It costs 490 points, I think I have enough. Redeem. What's this now? Another confirmation on top of the verification. This gift card is exclusively valid for Bambu Lab USA store purchases. Once redeemed, it is non-refundable. Ensure you select the correct store. Do you want to continue? Yeah, redeem. Under review, up to 5 days? I hope the sale is still going on then. Alright, it brought me back to this screen. It looks like they've already deducted the points. I started with 4,980. Now I'm getting into the questionable realm here. Can I redeem more than one? Okay, same verification pop-up. Redeem. Confirm redeem. Up to 5 days to review. Okay. Down to 4,000 points. Game on. Let's get the remaining 8 locked in. And you know, the review is actually a good thing, and I appreciate that they're doing that, keeping everyone honest here. All the way down to 80 points left. Oh, this feels horrible. There's never been anything in this redemption history tab, so let's check that now. Yep, here's the record of all of them, and they're all under review. So I guess now I wait. But I didn't have to wait too long. The next morning I checked the same redemption history tab, and it looked like they were all approved in less than 24 hours, and probably closer to 12 hours. It's time to go shopping. Okay, I'm on the Bambu store page now. 3D printers. Gotta find the A1 again. Oop, there it was. Wait, what? 279 now? Oh, it's not the combo yet. There it is, 379. From what I've heard about these, this is a great deal, by the way. And they offer some pretty good discounts too when you buy them at the same time as a new printer. Alright, add to cart. Ooh, more deals. But I just have enough points for a printer, guys. I'm just gonna check out. Alright, I don't know if this is gonna work. It's almost set up though like they know I'm going to use coupons. Back to MakerWorld to conveniently copy the code to the clipboard. Then the convenient place to paste the code into. Enough with the warnings already. Okay, it's going to be bound to my account. Sure, whatever, I've got nothing else to lose at this point. Confirm. And it just deducted $40 from the total. Nice! The question is, can I have more than one coupon? Let's try. Alright, it's on. And I'm just going to speedrun getting the rest of the coupons in there. Last one. Kind of feels like I'm wasting 20 bucks off the last coupon, but I'm not really one to complain at this point. And there it is. Net payment is down to 0. I guess that extra 20 bucks came in handy though. I forgot about my state's sales tax, which brought the total up to just over $400, which the coupons covered most of, leaving me with owing them $1.74 after all this. Not bad. I can't complain one bit about this process. I started the points redemption late on Tuesday. By Wednesday, I was able to purchase it entirely with coupons. The package was delivered on Friday morning of the same week. And here it is, my free printer. Hey Chloe, you want to help with this? That a girl. Now, I know this printer is not exactly free. I exchanged my time and put up the designs for free on the MakerWorld platform. And I'd like to take a moment to thank all the users on MakerWorld that made this new printer a possibility for me. MakerWorld for generously offering the reward system they have, and the Bambu store for putting their machines out there like this. It just so happened to work out that the Black Friday sale made it affordable for the amount of coupons I was able to acquire. Otherwise, it may have been another 3 months before I was able to make this happen with a normal retail price.